Hi everyone, welcome back to lesson 2 with GarageBand. In lesson 1 I showed you how to make sections, and we made a section for the introduction of our song, and I then showed you how to record a guitar part. Today we're going to focus on section B, which is going to be our chorus. I'll show you how to do that, and we're going to record the guitar part again and also the vocals, that's the singing. So if we look at the screen, you'll remember in the first lesson that I showed you how to make section A, which was 2 bars long. Since then, I've been in and I've made all the sections that we need. There's our section A, which is 2 bars. But I've made all the other sections, and we're focusing today in this lesson on section B, which is our chorus, and it's 4 bars. You can also see it here in our music. So it's 1 bar, 2 bars, 3 bars, 4 bars, and that's our chorus. Our school is a special place of happiness and joy, with life in all its fullness for every girl and boy. Now at the moment on the screen I've got all sections selected. This part here is what we recorded for section A. But now I'm going to choose section B, and it's kind of highlighted it in a dark grey there. That's going to be the only part that we record today. And if you look here at the music, you can see that it's G for 2 beats, C for 2 beats, D for 2 beats, G for 2 beats. Then it's G for another 2 beats. So once you've pressed it here, you don't need to press it again. You can just count 3, 4, 1, 2. C for 2 beats, D for 2 beats, G for 2 beats. So just like I did before, we're on section B. I am going to click add here to give me the guitar again. So I'm going to choose guitar. If you remember, we decided to use autoplay 2. There it is. I'm now going to play the piece of music. 3, 4. There we are, and it's now looping. Right, so we've recorded the guitar part, and I'm going to toggle back to our main screen. So this is the guitar part here for the chorus, but now we need some vocals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click plus, and I'm going to choose a different instrument. I'm going to choose audio recorder, voice. That's what it looks like. And I'm happy with that. But the trouble is, when we record the vocals, we're also going to hear, coming out of the iPad, the guitar part. And we don't want the microphone to hear that. So I've got some headphones. It's very important when you record using the microphone that you have the headphones in. So I'm going to put them in. And it will be very strange for you when I press record this time, because you won't hear the metronome. I will hear it in my headphones. You will hear me sing. And then I'll show you the magic that happens afterwards. Are we ready? Our school is a special place of happiness and joy, with life in all its fullness for every girl and boy. Okay. I've recorded it, so I'm going to toggle back to our main screen, and hopefully it will have worked. Let's listen. So I've made a mistake, and I think I know what my mistake was. Let's have a look. If I go to the settings here, metronome and counting. Okay, we do have a count-in. I must have misheard it. Let me see what happens when I just press record here. Okay, I think what happened there was that I forgot to sing in the right place. It's not a problem. What you can do is you can just record over it. So I'm going to put the headphones back on again. It's good for you to see the mistakes, because these will happen when you are recording. I think maybe what happened is I didn't set this button here to put the playhead to the beginning. So I'll do it again. Here we go. Our school is a special place of happiness and joy, with life in all its fullness for every girl and boy. Okay, take it out, toggle back, let's see what happens. Our school is a special place of happiness and joy, with life in all its fullness for every girl and boy. Our school is and it's looping. Now you may have noticed that I turned the metronome off. We don't want to hear that metronome when we're listening. We only want to hear it when we're recording. So I'll turn that off. Okay, now finally, if I go back to this plus icon here, to our sections, I can click all sections. And now you'll hear the introduction that we recorded in lesson 1, as well as the chorus. Here we go. Our school is a special place of happiness and joy, with life in all its fullness for every girl and boy. I'll see you for the next lesson on the next video, where we're going to be adding some bass and some drums. See you then.